Indigocube presents Testing Virtualization. Let's face it, the complexity of testing applications have become convoluted and riddled with variable pitfalls. Traditional models have become outdated and incompatible with the ever-evolving world of information technology. Poor quality software is a major cause of business dysfunction. Inferior software quality is responsible for the loss of $150 billion per year in the United States alone, and $500 billion in the rest of the world. Now, back in the dark ages, testing was something that happened at the end of a project, just before the software was deployed into production. This meant that any major flaws in the project specification, design, and code were only discovered at the end of a project. The expense of correcting errors at this stage were immense, not to mention the danger of missing project deadlines. This consequently gave way to more iterative and agile development methodologies whereby software is developed in small chunks and the testing effort starts earlier in the project. Or so best practice dictates. Then, something else happened. The move to test as a service computing. IT systems became highly complex ecosystems. These ecosystems are characterized by multiple layers of technology, vendor platforms and stakeholders, and complex transactions and dependencies. Today, developers typically build systems of systems, and these systems consume services from other systems and other service providers. This means they often find big, dangerous flaws only at the end of a project, when they are very expensive to fix. Until virtualization technology took one necessary step forward and made virtual testing possible, that is. A virtual testing environment enables you to create virtual services, so you can develop your software, then plug it into virtual services to test as you go. The virtual system responds realistically so that you can test the solution often and early. While virtual systems are not real, they are realistic. Virtual testing environments are substantially more cost-effective, allowing you to do performance testing early on. Now, you can test your software early, so when you get to the end, performance, functionality, integration have all been tested. You'll probably still do final testing on the full environment, but you won't be in for any big, costly surprises. Indigocube. To build better applications. Better.